President Joe Biden says that he has made a decision on how to respond to the brazen attacks that left 3 U.S. soldiers dead. This weekend's explosion in Jordan injured dozens more troops, leaving some with traumatic brain injuries. President Biden also addressed concerns over a wider war. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
Tracy, President Joe Biden has spoken with the families of the fallen soldiers, and he'll attend the dignified transfer of their remains at Dover Air Force Base this coming Friday. Now, this morning, the president addressed the very tense situation in the Middle East before heading for Florida for campaign fundraisers.
Upon leaving the White House, President Joe Biden is asked whether he holds Iran responsible for the deadly attacks on American troops in Jordan.
I do hold them responsible in the sense that they're supplying the weapons to the people who did it.
The Biden administration blames the drone attack on Iranian-based proxies. And today, the president also told reporters,
I don't think we need a wider war in the Middle East. That's not what I'm looking for.
The troops at the small installation that was struck were deployed as part of Operation Inherent Resolve.
These troops were conducting a vital mission in the region aimed at helping us work with partners to counter ISIS.
Well, ISIS is definitely a real threat.
At the International Religious Freedom Summit, one expert described the current threat posed by the terror group.
The ISIS caliphate was destroyed in this, since they no longer have this huge swath of land that they used to have from Iraq to Syria. But unfortunately, the ideology isn't dead. And the ideology is, you can find it really throughout the world.
And U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken says this is an incredibly volatile time in the Middle East.
I would argue that we have not seen a situation as dangerous as the one we're facing now across the region since at least 1973.
Also, when he was leaving the White House today for Florida, President Biden responded to my question about former President Donald Trump battling to stay.
Should Donald Trump be allowed on the ballot? Should Donald Trump be allowed on the ballot?
As far as I'm concerned, that's fine.
Why is he leading in the polls if he's a threat to democracy, as you say?
Because guys like you.
What am I doing? Come on, come on.
Jesus, man. It's early.
As you can see there, he told me he was teasing. Now, an update for you tonight. Trump is staying on the primary ballot in Illinois. The state's election board today declined to remove him. Illinois is one of several states where Trump critics have pushed to boot him from the ballot based on the January 6th Capitol riot. And very soon, this is all headed to the U.S. Supreme Court. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.